Okay, boss, I think I got the levels set. You can start whenever you're ready. All right, thank you. BOOZHOO! Welcome to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And today we've got a very special Ojibwe phrase. Ningodawaazi, Dibishkaawin. Ningodawaazi, Dibishkaawin. Happy birthday! And for today, I just want to say, Ningodawaazi, Dibishkaawin, Paul Stanley. Happy birthday, Paul Stanley. Today's his birthday. And anybody who watches this show knows I'm a big Paul Stanley fan. So hey, Ningodawaazi, Dibishkaawin. You know, you should have a feast for Paul Stanley today. Bring your loved ones together and celebrate that this is the day that Paul Stanley was born. Eh? Now, one time I was in a band and this guy was shouting orders at all of us. So just to put him in his place, I was like, hey, who died and made you Paul Stanley? Eh? All right, well, that's all I have for today. Ningodawaazi, Dibishkaawin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Paul Stanley. And I will see you again. Kigawabamin, Minowa, Hawa. Yeah, Paul Stanley.